Hi guys. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing one of Asia's most famous and most loved desserts, classic Sooji Halwa. Honey pot. This halwa is made in almost every household and is perfect for family gatherings, guests, or special occasions. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and press the bell icon so you never miss my latest recipes. So, let's start the recipe step by step. First of all, take Sooji, Semolina, and soak it in milk for a few minutes. This helps make the halwa soft and smooth. You can also add a little cardamom powder for a beautiful aroma. Now, take a pan and heat oil or ghee on medium flame. Once the oil is hot, add almonds, pistachios, cashews, and raisins. Fry them lightly until they turn aromatic and slightly golden. Take them out and keep them aside. In the same pan, add 1 spoon of ghee and then add 1 cup of sugar. Cook the sugar until it melts and turns a light golden brown color. Be careful not to burn it. Once the sugar is golden, slowly add the soaked Sooji into the pan and keep stirring continuously. This step is very important to avoid lumps. Cook it on low flame until the mixture thickens and starts leaving the sides of the pan. Now add the fried dry fruits back into the halwa and mix well. Cook it until you get a soft, glossy, and perfectly cooked halwa texture. Your delicious Sooji halwa is now ready. Turn off the heat and serve it hot or warm. You can enjoy it with family or serve it to guests, everyone will love it. If you liked this recipe, please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share it with your friends and family. Thanks for watching, see you in my next video. Red heart.